Inscribe in Memory, a guide to eternalizing moments. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and profound expression, inscribe in memory. This phrase is not just about remembering but about how some moments or lessons become a permanent part of who we are. Let's explore how this powerful expression can enhance your English comprehension and expression. Inscribe in memory combines two significant words. Inscribe, meaning to write or carve words, symbols, etc., on something, and memory, which refers to the faculty by which the mind stores and remembers information. Together, they create a metaphorical expression meaning to permanently remember something important or significant as if it has been etched into your mind like engraving on a stone. This phrase is often used to describe memories or lessons that have a lasting impact on a person's life. This section will show you how to use inscribe in memory in sentences and provide some examples to illustrate its usage in context. It's a phrase more commonly found in formal writing or speech, symbolizing the deep, lasting impression something has made on a person. Example 1. The day I graduated from university is inscribed in my memory. Example 2. Heroes who have sacrificed their lives for the country are inscribed in our memories forever. Example 3. The advice my grandmother gave me is inscribed in my memory. It guides me through tough times. Understanding expressions like inscribe in memory enriches your language skills, allowing you to convey complex emotional states and thoughts more vividly. It shows a sophisticated level of English comprehension and can add depth to your writing and speaking. This phrase helps in illustrating the emotional significance of memories and lessons, emphasizing their permanence in our minds and hearts. We hope this exploration of inscribe in memory has helped you grasp its meaning and use. This beautiful phrase reminds us that some experiences and words are so powerful that they become a permanent part of our essence. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep learning, and remember, every word and phrase you master is another step on your journey to becoming fluent in English.